Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are about to witness one of the greatest elevators of all time. What might be it? Nice green carpet. What might it be, you ask? A gated elevator? Those are cool, but we've seen them. Not just any gated elevator. A gated Montgomery. A completely original gated Montgomery elevator. Montgomery Elevator Company. That's right. A gated Montgomery. Now, I've never seen this, but I cannot believe it. This is a gated Montgomery. All right. What do you say we ride it? Damn, look up there. I would never have thought a gated frickin' Montgomery. It's got a new Montgomery thing. Look at this COP. It's weird. You can literally see up into the shaft. Wait. That's weird. Here's your COP. What do you say we take it for a ride? I can't believe it. Look how small this thing is, too. I cannot believe it. Oh my god. Boys, I have hit the frickin' jackpot. A gated Montgomery. Possibly, no, definitely the oldest on YouTube. That's for sure. I can't believe it. No way. Oh my god. Guys, I hit the jackpot. Hello. I can't believe it. I don't know how this qualifies as a service elevator, you know, it's small as hell. It's smaller than the passenger elevator, that's for sure. Oof, single speed. Alright. Look at that. You can see it's up the ceiling. Oh, let's see the counterweight go by. Oh, there is. I can't believe it. Boys, I hit the jackpot. This is nuts. This is actually insane. The oldest Montgomery on YouTube has been found. Oh my god. Send it on basement. Grab some photos. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Look at this. Oh Jesus Christ, I literally did that with my foot and the entire thing shook. I'm sorry about the bad video. I know it's pretty bad quality. I'm sorry about that. It's just so freaking small. But oh my god. This is nuts. This is like beyond belief. Wow. Alright. Send it up, why don't we? Well, I hope it sends it. Alright. Yeah. Alright, check this out. Montgomery Elevator Company. That's it.